Not something you want to hear right outside your house. That is the sound of gunfire from what investigators are calling an attempted home invasion on Jacksonville's north side. A neighbor capturing the moments before and after, including several shots you just heard being fired from her home surveillance camera. Sydney Deshawn joins us now. And Sydney, you got to speak with that neighbor. I can only imagine how she's feeling.
Yeah, she's feeling absolutely terrified. That neighbor did not want to go on camera for safety reasons, but she did share the video with me. She says it's left her in fear because it happened in the middle of the afternoon.
That was too close. That was real close.
This neighbor's camera captured something she says she'll never forget.
Gunshots woke me up out of my sleep.
It happened Thursday afternoon around 2 on 6th Avenue in Riverview. Video shows 3 men walking toward a home just moments before the gunfire starts.
At that time where my doors are unlocked, they could have came in, but they didn't. Yeah. Thank God for that.
Within seconds, dozens of shots ring out. Then one more.
Everything happened in an instant, just like that. With the blink of an eye.
The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says 3 masked and armed suspects forced their way into a man's home and fired the shots you heard in what they call an attempted robbery. The homeowner fired back, hitting one of the suspects. Both the victim and that suspect were injured but are expected to be okay. In the video, you can see 2 men running off afterwards.
You gotta get somebody else.
The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says they're still on the run.
That was just an eye-opener. You never know. Crime can happen anywhere. It doesn't have an address. It could be in the rich, the poor. It could be anywhere. These kids these days, they have no regards for life.
This neighbor says she's still shaken, and she has a message for those who pulled the trigger.
And these young people, they need some guidance. They need help. They need somebody to show them the right way. That's not the way to go.
Now, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office believes this is an isolated incident. They're now asking anyone with information to contact them or Crime Stoppers. Those numbers are on your screen right now. Remember, you can remain anonymous. Heather.